welcome to my first vlog. Hey bro, why you disturb? I'm making this video. Why you disturb? You can go now. No, you can come. You can meet me some moments later. I'm making this video. This, no, you can understand. Hello friends, welcome to my first vlog, and thank you for clicking my video. And I hope you all are good because of God. So I have been thinking from many days, from many years, to make a blog, channel. So finally I made this video, and through this channel I would like to show you some travel views, some my lifestyles, some blogging, some etc. Like everything that I will show you. So please, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon and click if you like this video. Like this video. Yeah, if you like the video, click the like button. So today I will show some scenery, some natural beauty, some switch gate here. I am studying where I am standing. It's a switch gate. There is this mountain or this hillside called the name MAORYA. Yes, the name called MAORYA. This is so beautiful. I will explore some minutes later. You can continue. You can tune with me. I will show some everything, some natural view, Okay, before introduce me, I would like to show you this scenery. 5 seconds, guys. 5 seconds, and we will come into the points. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But before start this blog video, I would like to introduce me, where I am from, what I do, who I am, everything I would like to tell you before start this video. So the first of all, my name is, please remember, my name is Frivol. I am BODO from Assam. I'm from Assam, and under in ETR called it was formerly it was BTC, but now it is recently agreement or accorded BTR as a BTR, and I am from this BTR Sirang district, and I have told my name and the village I live in. One known Gajanpuri. It's a small village. It's surrounded by forest. It is near to the Bhutan border. Now, time to tell about my family. How many we are in our family? We are. I don't lie. We are 8 members in our family, including my parents, my mom and dad. We are 8, and we are 4 brothers. I am the second of youngest brother, and I have 2 young eldest sister. They got married, and we are 4 unmarried. This all, and now time to tell about my qualification. I am studying BA first sem, indeed, in English major, but I came from BODO medium background, but I took here in degree, I took English department. This is my choice. You can enjoy. Now I will explore this scenery. I will tell you everything, every moment. I will make videos. You can enjoy with me. Yeah.